we held in December last year.
Fresh
Those who attended were not paid the full per diem, and they did not insist that we want the full per diem because we understood the lack of sufficient resources. So again, we are called upon to understand some of this, but at the end of the day, if the resources are there, I believe it will only be right that we insist that we get what is due to us. I'm a stickler for time.
Okay. Now,
such that
what is your view on consensus building and how do you balance consensus building
9, 10,
with
and you didn't have the
independence
courtesy
and
to tell me,
collegiality?
sometimes you find I've gone. Human relations can be complex and difficult. So for me, I'm a stickler for time. Somebody might say you must it's impatience. Is not patient to wait. Work on informal relationships. So I believe it's within the context.
So how are you able to balance that to
Informal,
accommodate
not
the
to
people
the
you're working
extent that you become too used
How do
to
you go around
other,
it so that,
when a suggestion
you
is
also
made
don't create
for
this perception
consensus,
in
you just
people
say
that
yes.
you're an impatient person?
But informal, so that
I talked about
if there are mutual discussions which are necessary, when I approach you and I tell you this is my view, you are ready to listen to me.
We agreed.
You are ready to be convinced. You are ready to be
having the courtesy to call me and tell
but
me
consensus, so that's
by
how
itself
with it, should not mean succumbing.
All right, thank you, and
to
I wish you
other
well,
opinions.
Judge.
Thank you.
So if consensus cannot be reached, I believe that the law allows that we can don't have
one
to
particular
like
stakeholder,
or
the Law
love
Society
your
of
colleague.
Kenya.
Thank you.
Okay.
When I became president of the
earlier on, you
association,
spoke
the
very
expectations
passionately about your
of
integrity.
the Law Society
but,
of
I
Kenya
would
were running
wish to know
parallel
what your colleagues
with
or
some of
even
the
the stakeholders say
expectations
about
of
your
the
integrity. What do you
judiciary.
think they say about your integrity?
Like
I reached
Caesar's
out
wife.
to the president of the Law Society of Kenya, Madam Faith,
Okay. Very well,
and
Judge.
we
I
agreed
think
to call a meeting.
they
I
have
think
not
that
raised
was the
any
very
issue on your
first
integrity,
time
according to
that the association
feedback that
was
we
meeting
got
with the
from
council
stakeholders.
of the Law Society of Kenya.
They actually,
And in that meeting,
really
we agreed
given very
to
positive
form a
views
committee
on
of
you.
wise
They say
men.
you are a good timekeeper.
The Law Society of Kenya
Deliver
nominated
judgments on time.
Mr. Philip
However,
Murgor, Senior
there are
Counsel,
some who have said that
Madam
you
Judy
have
Tongori, Senior
issued,
Counsel, may her soul rest in peace.
inconsistent
And
decisions.
I believe the third one was Mr. Karori Karioki, also
there are
Senior
some
Counsel.
inconsistent decisions that
On
were
our
raised,
side as an
where it
association,
was said that
we nominated
you apply
Judge
the same
Fred
law
Ochieng, may his soul
differently
rest in
and would
peace.
depart from your decisions.
nominated
for
Judge
instance,
Richard
in two
Mwongo,
matters with the same
and we
respondent.
nominated Lady Justice
said-
Caroline Kendago.
It was said you dismissed
Council
one
of Wise
with
Men.
cost, and, the
And they
other
were
one
able to
you
resolve
dismissed
some of the
without
disputes
cost,
which we placed
without
before them
giving
within 3
details.
hours.
So how do you respond to that
I believe
stakeholder? or
that
those
reaching
stakeholders?
out to that stakeholder to listen to them, and we also cost to listen to
follow
them,
the
and then we
event.
discuss, is one of the best
at the
ways
discretion
of creating a mutually respectable relationship.
And before
so I believe that is one of the
exercises
ways
this
which
discretion, there are several factors the
we
court may
were
want
able to meet the
consider.
expectations.
One is
Our
the conduct
stakeholder,
of
the
the
Law
parties.
Society of Kenya.
If I
Lastly,
feel that a party
those
was
that
trying to cause delays, sometimes I will not award costs. Commissioner, as a general rule, and as part of my docket management, I give timelines. I ask you, please file your submissions by this date. If you don't file, I never give costs. And I believe this was a big issue when I was in Kisumu and Commissioner Toes. So you've conducted yourself during the proceedings. You will succeed, but I'll not
grant you costs, you did not help me to achieve the principal objective of the court.
Okay. But Judge, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Justice Radido. I have a few questions for you. Human resource, what is human resource management?
The first attribute which I talk about is that I'm a team player, and this has been exhibited